This week at Peachybbies, I'm going to be venturing into our slime warehouse and finding out what it's actually like to work at a slime factory. I'm just the social media person here, so I really don't know that much about the inner workings of a slime factory, so this is going to be all new to me too. Every job that I do, I'm going to get ranked on a scale of 1 to 10, and at the end of this challenge, if I have less than a 15, I don't get to post a TikTok for 2 weeks. This is probably the coolest job at Peachybbies, clay making. This is where every single clay that gets sent out with the Peachybbies slime is born, and I am very excited to be a part of it. So today, we're making the lily pads from our Froggy Pond slime. I'm just gonna be observing how these guys are making them, and I'm gonna try to replicate them as well as I can. So maybe if you guys are buying the Froggy Pond slime, you'll get some of the lily pads that I made. You guys, I made my first lily pad. What do you think?
Gross. Hey, could one of you guys make me a clay burger for a TikTok?
Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah.
You're doing it?
Yeah, I work in clay.
Okay, thanks.
So in addition to making all the clays that get sold at Peachybbies, the clay team also makes the social media team our clays for videos sometimes. And since I obviously suck at making lily pads, I'm gonna make Anna her burger, and it's gonna be the best clay burger she's ever had, and I'm gonna get hired as a full-time clay maker. Look at how good that looks. That's a burger. It looks like a Krabby Patty.
A Krabby Patty.
This is going to be my ketchup and my mustard. Yeah, that's actually not bad. It's not.
Hey, did you finish the burger?
Oh, hey, yeah, here it is. Doesn't that look great? Here, take it. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Hey, can you make me a burger?
All right, well, that concludes my time working in the clay area today. I think I did pretty well. On a scale of 1 to 10, how well did I do today making clay with you guys?
1, 2, 3.
3? I think that officially means I got a 3 out of 10 for clay making today, and that's not bad because I can still redeem myself later. Thanks, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Now it is time for arguably the most important job in the slime factory, slime packing. This is very nerve-wracking for me because I have one professional skill, and that is social media. That's what I've done for the past 7 years, and I have 0 physical talents. I feel like I have the capability to accidentally bring down this entire slime factory with my slime packing failures. But I've been observing people packing slimes around me, and I feel like I kind of get the idea, so we're gonna give it our best shot. I'm honestly so impressed with myself. I'm so much better at this than I am at clay making. I'm gonna try a new way of doing it. If I just lay all the slime on top of it. All right, that was 20 slimes in under 10 minutes. I think I did pretty well. All right, Aisha, these are my 20 slimes that I just packed all by myself for my very first time. How do you think I did, and what would you give me, scale of 1 to 10?
Ooh, you got sprinkles in there too?
Sprinkles? Oh, no,
Oh,
that one. Don't
no
look at that
sprinkle.
one.
Oh,
This one has sprinkles.
I'm gonna have to give you a 2 because this sucks.
I thought I did a really good job.
Sorry.
Thanks for your input. Well, I guess slime packing is not as easy as I had predicted it was, but we still have one more job to do, which should be the most fun one, so let's go. For the next job I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna be making my own slime completely from scratch. These are the mock-ups that we make at Peachybbies to pitch a new slime for the shop. Every time I see Andrea do one of these, she's always inspired by something, like her favorite food or her favorite smell. So today, I'm going to be inspired by my favorite food, spaghetti. This is a completely fresh slime base. This is an icy slime, and I can do anything I want with it because there is no scent and no color in this right now. So I'm gonna add a little bit of brown. Oh, well, spaghetti's light brown, right? My favorite kind of spaghetti is vegan whole wheat spaghetti, so that's what I'm going for here. Because I am a visionary and an artist and very creative, I'm gonna come up with a brand new way to pack this slime. Instead of just shoving a bunch of slime in here, I'm gonna make it look like spaghetti noodles. Then it will definitely get sold in the shop because I don't think anyone's ever seen anything like this. I've got my spaghetti all packed in there. Definitely looks like a bowl of noodles. Now I'm gonna make my clay to make this an interactive clay kit. I'm gonna make a meatball. Maybe a little bit of red. I feel like meatballs have a red undertone. That was way too much. Second time today, I'm covered in red dye that makes it look like there's blood on my hands. I'm not actually sure how the clay team dyes their clay. I feel like they probably use the mixer. Here is my meatball. Looking very meatball-y. So I'm gonna add some pasta sauce. I have a mixture of yellow and orange sprinkles here that I'm gonna add to the top of my slime as my cheese. I always add cheese to my spaghetti. The final touch, a little leaf. I don't know what kind of leaf you put on pasta, but I've definitely seen it before. All right, I've finished my spaghetti slime and I'm ready for it to be judged by Christian. If he likes it, it will be officially sold in the Peachybbies slime shop where you guys can go buy it. And if he doesn't approve it, then I don't get to post a TikTok for 2 weeks.
What up, Aaron?
Hi, this is my slime that I created. I need you to tell me on a scale of 1 to 10, how good is it? And I'd like you to notice, never been seen before noodle pattern in a slime. Also, actual sauce and actual meatball made of not meat.
Spaghetti slime, just to clarify.
He can tell what it is.
Idea is fun. Execution, absolutely terrible. This is like a 3 out of 10. First off, this barely looks like a meatball. I do have to say the green leaf is very nice.
It's
just want to point
spaghetti.
that out. Okay, fine, healthy spaghetti. Listen, it's a lot of carbs in it anyways, like it's not even gonna be healthy. It does look like a meatball. This red stuff, that just looks like blood. That doesn't look like tomato sauce. Now, if you added a little bit of white paint in there, make it not so dark, then it would actually look like a tomato sauce.
Yeah, that's actually a really good idea.
This is supposed to be cheese. Now, why didn't you grab white crumbs? White crumbs would have looked almost identical to Parmesan cheese.
It still wouldn't be yellow enough, and also, I know maybe you wouldn't have as much knowledge about this, but in slime creating, you kind of want to play up whatever your idea is to make it almost like a cartoonish version of it, so I really wanted to be obvious, like this is a cheese color.
I can see the cartoon thing. Yeah. That is a very long stretch, but nobody puts cheddar on their pasta.
I do, what are you talking about? When I make whole wheat vegan spaghetti, I put Mexican blend cheese on it like everybody else.
You're making up so many excuses right now. First off, this doesn't look like noodles. And if you were gonna try to do it, think about how expensive it would be to have production try to pack it.
Listen, I just spent like an hour and a half packing slime and I know that I could do it.
Listen, I'm not knocking the spaghetti and meatballs idea. I think just your version stinks. It just looks like an organ now. I got a heart.
So did I pass? What do you think?
No. Absolutely not.
Honestly, this slime deserves to be on the shelf. One of you deserves to get this slime. So I want you guys to come with me and we're gonna go put it on the production line and it's gonna get sold. All right. Right where it belongs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me down below if you would buy this slime because I know you probably would. Make sure to like and subscribe and I will see you next week.